Prabhu. So what is most important, more important, to aspire for mukti or be in the state of...
Or to be in the state of bhakti.
Yes, yes. Of course, mukti we need to aspire for because we want to be with Krishna. So that is sometimes devotees say that we should not be thinking about mukti only. We should only ask Krishna to give us more service. But Krishna is actually in Bhagavad Gita repeatedly saying that you come to me. Many times Krishna is saying that, come to me, like that. So that way we definitely want to go to Krishna. There is no doubt about it. So that way we cannot say that we should not aspire for mukti. That is not it's not right to say like that, because we definitely want to go to Krishna. There is no doubt about it. We definitely want to get rid of the three modes of material nature and we want to go to Krishna. But that when we want to go to Krishna, because we want to be with him, because we love Krishna, and we believe in Krishna and we accept that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, that's why we want to go to Krishna. That's why we want to achieve mukti. We don't want to keep coming back to this material world and suffering and struggling. So Krishna himself says very clearly that anityam asukam lokam imam prapya bhajasvamam. Having come to this temporary miserable world, you worship me. That's what Krishna himself said very clearly. So that way, but we can go to Krishna only with bhakti. Bhaktyat ananya labhyaga. So bhaktyamam abhijanati yavan yaschasmi tattvataga tato mam tattvado jnatva visate tat anantam. So one can understand me only with bhakti. Bhaktyamam abhijanati. Bhaktyat labhyagat ananyaga. So we can attain Krishna only by bhakti, by devotion. So that means if we have bhakti, then we will get mukti. So we should aspire for mukti definitely. And now we will get the knowledge and then we will develop bhakti towards Krishna. Then with that bhakti, Krishna is going to give us intelligence. With that intelligence, we will be able to go to Krishna. So tesam satata yuktana bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam yenamam upayantite. So those who are always engaged in my devotional service with so much love towards me, I shall give the intelligence by which they can come to me. So dadami buddhi yogam tam yenamam upayantite. So that way both should be needed. So we want mukti and we need bhakti and we need this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. With the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, when we develop love towards Krishna, then we render devotional service unto Krishna, and then Krishna is going to give us the intelligence, and with that intelligence we are going to go to Krishna. That mukti is going to come. So where there is bhakti, definitely mukti will be there. If there is no bhakti, then there is no mukti. Hare Krishna.